promised you I'd fucking do something with this fucking LS. Draining fucking oil, and she's smoking. So I finally got it out of the fucking Majestic Jew's tree. It's a Christmas decoration, you know. Well, I brought it over here a couple weeks ago. Tried to shoot a video on it, but, you know, time is something I don't fucking have. We're gonna tear into it today. See what it fucking looks like. Chances are it's going to the fucking scrapyard. Probably gonna save the heads, see if they're, you know, still level anyways. They're $7.99 head, or yeah, $7.99 heads. But yeah, other than that, we're just gonna tear into it, see the carnage. I mean, I doubt it, but who knows? Maybe we could loosen off some of the fucking bearings and get her to spin again. But she is fucking locked up tighter and fuck. So I'm gonna set you guys up and fucking here we go, I guess. Well, stop the fucking music there. Got her somewhat disassembled, minus the heads now. Here to give you guys a quick peek of what the fuck's happening here. I mean, there's some metal, for sure. Or is it sand? I can't really tell. Whatever it is. It's, not really oil. Alright, well, time to take the heads off and then the fucking oil pan off. See what we got. Well, I mean, that rust and then one over on the other cylinder is just from it sitting outside for months on fucking end. I mean, really, there's not even that significant scarring as far as I can tell in these cylinders. I mean, that's like the worst one yet. Ain't even that bad. Yeah, and this is just rust from water getting down the intake. I mean, the cam doesn't even look that scarred. There you go. Yeah, see, the cam looks still decent. Well, I mean, for running for 10 minutes, wide open, with no cooling system whatsoever, and a bunch of used oil poured down its fucking crankcase. I mean, I'd say not bad. That's what's in the quote-unquote cooling system there. Well, we've seen the top end, guys. Time to get to that fucking oil pan, take that off, and see the real fucking carnage underneath. We'll get to tearing this fucking oil pan off after these messages.
Too much of a good thing is a good thing. The new, incredibly comfortable Mercury Grand Marquis. All this on the quality of a Mercury.
this Buick is you.
You have an active lifestyle. That's why you chose the affordable, stylish, quality-built Buick Century sedan. Practical, classic comfort all the way. Now with cashback, sticker priced at $12,379. Drive into summer in a 1989 Buick Century. See your nearest Rochester area Buick dealer for big cashback or low 2.9 financing.
The Buick belongs to you.
This is what I see in the oil pan so far. I can only imagine all the bearing material down inside there if it's scattered all in here. I mean, let's just get a close-up of all this shit here. Fucking beauty. I mean, I'm not seeing any bearings sticking out of the fucking connection rods. Nor with the fucking mains. But she is fucking C-solid. Alright, well. Start fucking backing them out, I guess, and see if I can get this cocksucker to spin over. Well, let's see if the fucking motor bars over now. Nope. When you're spinning your whole fucking engine stand, I think you might have a problem. Because you don't give a fuck about it. Oh yeah, that's a great fit right there. Yeah, just a little worn. It's fine. I don't even see bad material. It's fine. Ooh, that is some grooves though. Ooh, the amount of grit that's in this thing. Alright, well. I'm gonna try to bar it over again. Oh my god. I'll tip over this fucking engine stand if I continue trying. I'm just loosening the fucking crank bolt now. All the mains are loose. That means it's gotta be a connecting rod fucking bearing that's stopping it here. These guys look more heat tempered than the rest, so I'll go with that one. Man, the smell that just came out of that. Woo! Oh yeah. She got a little hot. Focus, you fuck. Yeah, she got fucking hot. Mind you, that the bearing's still on fucking connecting rod. Yeah, this bearing is like part of this crank now. Oh, there we go. Oh man, there is no babbit whatsoever left on that fucking thing. I mean, like, look at that. She literally melted. Didn't spin, but literally melted itself to the crank. That's fucking crazy. Fuck yeah, LS. Yeah, this is a quote-unquote good cylinder. I didn't have to use a hammer to take this apart, but you can see she was getting there. And this is some oily, nasty fucking shit. Never seen that happen. That's so this is cylinder 6. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. I mean, not great, but not bad. I wonder if he'll spin over with the bar now. Ah, ah, ah. Nope. Wow. So yeah, this thing's still fucking seized. All the main caps are loose. Number 1 and 2 are loose. Number 4 is loose. And number 5 is loose. So, I mean, really, it's what, 3 fucking pistons holding on, and this crank will still not fucking spin. That's insane, man. That's fucking crazy. That's just that fucker right there, it's stopping it. But I really don't feel like going any further with this. You guys see the damage, it's there. That socket's in the oil pan now, perfect, right where I fucking wanted it. Fuck! Yep. Well, it's rust protection now, I guess. But yeah, alright. So anyways, guys, you see the fucking thing. It is fucked, but in my opinion, the block is still fine. What do you guys think? I'm looking to LS swap the fucking queef cart, because as you'll see in a video, I don't know if I'm releasing it before or after this one, but as you'll see, the fucking thing has no spark, no fuel. Can't get it to do fuck all. And I'm really tired of dicking around with the fucking Ford bullshit. So, why not put a fucking LS into it? I LS swap shit, so why not LS swap a Ford? Make it the most reliable fucking Ford out there. Start every time. You know, as long as you give it a few drops of oil. You don't need coolant, you just need oil. You fuck should tell me what to do in the comments here, basically. I could go out to the junkyard, buy a fucking used crank and bearings out at the fucking junkyard. Possibly. 4.8 fucking crank and bearings out of something, put it in and fucking send it. Do I get a 5.3 right from the junkyard? That's usually what I would do. Would be get a 5.3 right from the junkyard. That way I know it fucking runs. Instead of being a mystery. Or, I don't know. What the fuck do you guys think I should do? Rebuild this piece of shit the most half-ass fucking way possible? Or go with the next half-ass way possible and just yank out a 5.3 out of something unknown miles and chuck it in the fucking Grand Marquis? You guys let me know. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this little video of fucking taking this piece of shit apart. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't put your hands any place you want to put your fucking dick.